Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox some of the beauty boxes for August. I only have 3 right now, but I have more coming, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox the 3 that I have. So the first one we have here is the GlitzGlamBox. This one is $15 per month, and it always comes packaged just like this. And inside, of course, we have the card. Has the theme on one side and the prices and items listed on the other side. Alright, the first thing we got here is some lashes from Cara Beauty. These retail for $5.99. These are the 3D Fox Mink lashes and Fabu lashes. These are very full lashes. I usually don't wear them that full just because my eyes are kind of small and it hides my eyeshadow, but I will probably wear these at some point because they are really pretty and really full. Alright, the next thing we have here is Tropical Vibes Mascara. This is Romantic Beauty and this retails for $16. This one apparently lengthens. I don't wear lengthening ones too much, so I'll probably stick that one in a giveaway because I got a bunch of lengthening ones. But I do love that packaging. That is super cute. Okay, the next thing we got here is, what is it? We have DoColor brushes, and this retails for $9.99. This is the Eye Essential brush set. And yeah, I do like the color. Let me see if they're fluffy. I'm sure they're fluffy. Yep, they are very fluffy. You know what? I have a lot of brushes. I think I'm going to stick those in a giveaway as well, a future giveaway. Okay, so the last thing we got is Beauty Creations Lipstick and Glitter Gloss Duo, and this retails for $9.99. Okay, so they are really pretty colors. This first one is Highlight My Life, and the second one is Bare Find. They are pretty colors, and they're very neutral, so I'll probably wear them. Alright, the next bag we got is Color Curate. This is $20.95 per month. This is always vegan and cruelty free, which is always a bonus. And it comes with this card inside. It has the theme right here, which you can see the theme matches the bag. On the back it has the items and the price, and this bag here is supposed to be limited edition and worth $12. First thing we got here is Cheek Chiffon by Trifle Cosmetics, and this is worth $9.50. You can see that right there. So I guess one is supposed to be a blush and the other is a highlight, so let me see. So that one's the highlight and that one's the blush. Those are really pretty colors, but I'm pretty sure I have that in another palette, so I'm going to stick that in a future giveaway as well. Alright, the next thing we got here is Dream Palette by Jelly Pong Pong, and this is worth $20. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like out of the box. And these are the colors. I do have many palettes with those colors, so that will go into a giveaway as well. Okay, so the next thing we got is the Lip Parfait, yeah, that's what it is, Lip Parfait. This is from Trifle Cosmetics, and this is in color Summer Cone, and this is supposed to be worth $12. And this is the color. This is kind of like an orangey red color. I do really like it, so I'm probably going to keep that. So let's go ahead and swatch. Okay, so this is a very sheer color and almost a strawberry, and I really like it. I like it even more now that I swatched it than when just looking at it in the tube. Alright, the last thing in this bag is So Susan Cosmetics Glow Gaia, and this is worth $52. I'm not opening it yet because I'm not ready to use it, but this is a Firming Neck and Décolletage Glow Cream, which I am getting older, so this is good. I'm happy with that. So I have one more bag, and that is my Ipsy one, and I'm really loving their Green August bag. And this is a $25 a month. This is the Glam Bag Plus, so everything in this is full size. I don't have the prices or a description of it, anything other than what's on the box, so I will have the prices listed on the screen. Alright, the first thing we got is Vitabird C12. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a coupon. So there's a coupon in there for it. This is Vitabird C12 Face Brightening Stabilized with Vitamin C. Okay, so that is what it looks like on the inside. That is not as big as I thought it was going to be, but okay. I will still probably use it because vitamin C in general is really good for your skin. Alright, the next thing we got here is Neogen Dermalogy All Day Locking Fixer. So this is like a fixing spray for your face, and I'm not opening it yet because I am not using it, but I did pick this item out and definitely going to be using that. Okay, so the next thing we got here is StudioMakeup Flawless Skin Foundation, formulated with hyaluronic acid. I absolutely love things with hyaluronic acid because it's really good for keeping your face looking young. The tube itself is a pump, which I was not expecting. I was expecting maybe something you squirt out. But let's go ahead and see how well this matches my skin. Okay, so the color looks like it might be a little off. You can see it right here. It looks like it's blending more on camera, but it looks like it's a shade light, so this might be something I use more in the winter, but it is really, really nice. It does feel really good and creamy. Alright, the next thing we have is Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1. I guess this is supposed to make your lashes look really full. I'm not ready to use this because I am currently using a bunch of mascara. This is in shade black, and this is what the packaging looks like. I do like this purple packaging. I think it's cute. Okay, so the last thing in here is a Dose Posh Powder Palette. And let's go ahead and look at it. I think it's got blush and highlighter. Okay, so this is the palette. That is what it looks like, and these are the colors. I think those really go well with my skin tone, so I'm probably going to keep this because I feel like this would be a good travel palette as well as everyday palette, so I will probably be using that. And that is the end of the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.